Let's take a look at this candy. These are by Alpenliebe. To chew, we got grape and strawberry. Come in this really beautiful packaging. Each of these costs around 50 rupees or 60 cents or so. These are from Vietnam. Ingredients are in Vietnamese. So let's taste these. That's how the individual piece looks. Let's taste it. That is too chewy and amazing strawberry flavor. Let's try the grape one. That's how it looks. This too is too chewy and a really nice grape flavor too. I think the strawberry one is better though. Quite nice. Check it out.